Honorable Minister, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, Egypt, which fought the most violent war with determination and power to regain its land, always seeks peace to achieve security and stability for its people and the people of the region and the entire world. Egypt seeks peace based on the state's comprehensive strength and rational power that protect and defends the homeland and always seeks to extend a helping hand and cooperate with all countries searching for peace as a solid approach to achieving progress, development, and prosperity for all countries. Our celebration of the glorious October victory always represents a cherished occasion that makes us proud of our entity and our nation. And lets us remember the magnitude of the difficulties and the challenges that we have been able to overcome to reach our present, in which Egypt is writing a great success story that has begun years ago and embodies once again the Egyptian determination that conquers difficulties. During the past years, Egypt also fought a war against terrorist groups and organizations in North Sinai and succeeded in eliminating them, and it became a role model for defending terrorism and uprooting it from its roots and restoring security and stability in Sinai. This was done in conjunction with the reconstruction and development campaign in all parts of Sinai to enabling it to join the comprehensive development revolution and the ambitious development program that is in line with the aspiration and the hopes of the Egyptians through the implementation of many strategic mega projects that Egypt is currently experiencing. Today, we see that Egypt, with facts and figures, has found its correct path to move steadily along the path of development, progress, and prosperity to raise the efficiency and enhance infrastructure, build new smart cities, and reclaim the desert to expand the agricultural area while paying attention to all social, cultural, scientific, health, and other fields to provide a better generous life and improving the social and living condition of the Egyptians, as well as our non-Egyptian brothers residing in Egypt. In our African continent, Egypt strongly supports the engine of development and cooperate with all African countries to advance together and achieve the prosperous future that our continent deserves, especially that our continent enjoys the resources and capabilities that qualify it for that prosperous future. We Egyptians are proud of our African roots, and together with our African brothers and sisters, we embrace a new path for a brighter future filled with peace, progress, and prosperity for our countries. Egypt and Nigeria enjoy long and extended historical relations, which we seek to strengthen through our governments and armed forces, in addition to investing in the enormous economic and cultural potentials of our countries. We look forward to developing our strong partnership at all levels and in all fields, especially security, military, and fighting terrorism. What has been achieved in military cooperation between our two countries during the past period came as a result of the intense work and the sincere desire of our leaders to strengthen this cooperation based on the existing of status quo of fraternity, friendship, and commonwealth, to spread the culture of peace and confront the force of violence and extremism that our continent. Ladies and gentlemen, the Egyptian armed forces will always remain the shield and sword to preserve and protect our beloved country against anyone who dares to undermine its security and stability, whether in peacetime or in wartime. Furthermore, our country will always be supportive of all just cases of free Arab and African countries that seek peace. Of course, our brothers who seek to the independence of their homeland. Honorable Minister, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, allow me to praise and salute the generation of war, of victory, the leaders who made the decision and supported the national will. Allow me to hail and pray for the precious souls of our martyrs who sacrificed their valuable blood to liberate our land and restore our pride and dignity. Allow me to greet and salute the great people of Egypt who stood firm and supported their armed forces until they achieved a glorious victory. حفظ الله الوطن. Long live Egypt. Long live Nigeria. Long live all free countries. Wassalamu alaikum.